Hey guys, Christian Ramsey here with Avionics. I want to share something with our general aviation crowd about something that's going on in the drone industry right now that we think you should know about, something to be excited about. So right now there's a bunch of rules being evaluated by the industry that the FAA published around beyond visual line of sight drone operations. So beyond visual line of sight, real quick, means that the person flying the drone literally cannot see the drone. And when that happens, you can imagine there's got to be a lot of rules and regulations around the safety of the aircraft, how it's going to avoid hitting things, the data links that connect it. This is about a 700-page rule. In those 700 pages, there are going to be things that we think are good. There are going to be things that people think are not good. And so there's a lot of debate going on. There's a few weeks left to comment. And I just wanted to let you know about something. First of all, a really good thing is that drones are required to have ADS-B in if they're flying beyond visual line of sight. We don't even have this kind of a mandate in the manned aviation space, but every single drone is going to have an ADS-B receiver on board, which makes it easier for them to avoid you as long as you are broadcasting with an ADS-B out signal. One of the more controversial things is that under 400 feet AGL, lowest area of our airspace, is where all of these drones are going to be flying. And if you, as a manned aircraft, are flying under 400 feet, what the FAA has said is that the drone will give right of way to you only if you are broadcasting an ADS-B signal or you're arriving and departing at an airport. They know that this is going to be a burden on general aviation pilots that may have to install equipment on board in order to establish or maintain that right of way. So what they're doing is they're offering an alternative. The alternative is called electronic conspicuity, or EC. And so the idea is that EC is, lack of a better word, a portable device. And EC is something that a lot of other countries around the world are already doing. We are the primary manufacturer of an EC device. So I want to tell you a little bit about what it is. A lot of you guys are probably familiar with this device. This is a Sentry that we make for ForeFlight. It's an ADS-B receiver. And this device is called a Sky Echo, and the Sky Echo is an electronic conspicuity device. They're very similar. We make both products. The difference is that the electronic conspicuity device, the EC, is a transmitter. So it will transmit an ADS-B beacon signal without having to be installed in your aircraft. It's battery powered. It's got a couple of features in it that are very similar to the Sentry. It has an ADS-B receiver in it, and it has an internal GPS and internal antennas, just like a Sentry does. But the key piece is that this is a transmitter. But it also addresses a couple of other things that we think are really good for you. One is it's not mandated, so it's voluntary. It's not certified, so it's not installed, so it's much, much cheaper for you than installing several $1,000s worth of equipment in your aircraft. You can buy something for less than $1,000 and suction cup it to your window and establish a beacon and right-of-way rights. The third thing is that we think is really important to you is that it is anonymous. So it will not provide a link directly to your tail number or to you. So it uses what's called an anonymous mode, and that's available in some of our other installed products. And the fourth thing is, hey, there's an on-off button. You can literally turn it off and not use it when you don't want to. It's really important to do this because this drone behind me, you may think it's huge. This is going to be sort of the standard size of something that's delivering packages or providing wildfire support or law enforcement. I mean, this could really cause some damage to you and your aircraft, and you don't want to be caught in that type of scenario. So something like this is a really low cost way that the FAA is offering to the GA community to be able to address that. What my ask of you is, despite what you may or may not think about the right-of-way rules, we understand that that's controversial. We do think that this is a good thing. So and this is a good thing for aircraft that are not just flying under 400 feet. So this will be good for balloons, Part 103 aircraft, or vehicles, ultralights, parachutists even have used this device. So we want you to go out there and respond to the FAA's comments. Let them know, despite what you may or may not think, right-of-way changes are a good thing, that you think electronic conspicuity is a good thing, and you'd like to see it available here in the U.S. It's available in many other countries around the world. So thanks for listening, and talk soon.